In this tutorial, we show you how to correctly activate a maintenance-free battery, shortly called MF battery. It takes approximately 2 hours to correctly activate the battery. The activation is quite simple, but you have to respect the following instructions. Let's first unbox the battery. Everything you need for activation is inside the box. An instruction manual, a bag with screws and bolts, an acid pack with the sealer caps on top, and a battery. Put the battery on a flat surface and remove the sealer cap. For safety measures, ensure yourself that the area is well ventilated and that no sparks or flames are near the battery. Wear protective gear each time you manipulate acid. Now preparing the acid pack. You must carefully remove the sealer cap. Don't damage the sealer cap, as it will be used to seal the battery after filling and charging. Check the aluminum lids and flatten any folds. Carefully align the canister tubes with the corresponding cells. Put the acid pack vertically and press firmly downwards with control until the canisters self-puncture. We can see bubbles. It means that the filling is correct. If not, tap around the acid pack to help the acid flow in the battery. In order to obtain a good activation, don't accelerate the process pressing or piercing the acid pack. Filling must take between 10 and 20 minutes. When all the acid is inside the battery, move the acid pack back and forth before removing it gently. Clean any acid spills. Put the sealer cap loosely over the ports on the top of the battery, but don't close it hermetically yet. This allows a good ventilation during the first charge. Let the battery rest for an hour. Final step is charging the battery. On the front side of the battery, you can find the right charging instructions. Use an automatic or a smart charger. In order to obtain a good activation, you must charge the battery with 10% of the battery capacity. After choosing the right technology on the charger, it's important to connect the negative terminal first. Wait until the charger indicates that the battery is fully charged. Clean the acid spills and close the battery hermetically, pushing the sealer cap downwards with the same pressure on the whole length. Now check the voltage. If it's below 12.8 volts, an additional charge is required. If not, the battery is ready.